Hi everyone, it's Carrie here from the Millbury Public Library. With the holidays approaching us, I started to think about recipes, and I found this wonderful book that is packed with recipes using maple syrup. And here it is. It is called Maple Syrup Cookbook by Ken Haedrich. In this cookbook, you will learn how to use maple syrup in your meals. Ken has some delicious recipes that are packed with flavor, from fondue to salad dressings, baked beans to grilled salmon, and sweet and sour chicken to pumpkin soup. With over 100 recipes, Ken adds just the right sweet touch to your daily cooking. So, just walk you through some of my favorites that I will be serving up. This first one. So I always serve a salad for Thanksgiving. So I thought this maple balsamic dressing would be the perfect touch to any greens that we may have this Thanksgiving. Then up next, I thought, maple glazed butternut squash. Couldn't go wrong to add some delicious maple syrup to that. Then next, I'm always getting told, Mom, you're always having chicken. And I found this wonderful recipe in here that's, it is roast breast of chicken with red wine blueberry glaze. So hopefully that will be a winner. Then next, won't be able to resist maple apple pie. So put a different spin on the apple pie this Thanksgiving. And I always like crisp. So this pear, apple, and fig crisp caught my eye and sounds delicious. So that will be wonderful. So the recipes are easy to follow, and he shares a blurb on each page, as you can see in this one. So each page has a little blurb about each of the recipes, whether it's something about the recipe, what to do with the recipe. So that's just a fun little thing in there. Then also he shares the process of the production of maple syrup. So maple from tree to table. So you'll see in the book the process of that. So that was interesting to read up. Then the other key thing I liked is substituting maple syrup. So he breaks down here how much you should substitute for for maple syrup as your sweetener compared to others. So with that being said, don't forget to check out this book. So now you know maple syrup is for much more than just pancakes. So stop by the library today or call us to reserve this book today. Thanks everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye.